Ever wonder why RVs are getting more and more popular these days? Well, that's because RVs are rolling homes. Who wouldn't want to hit the road and have the freedom to travel wherever their wanderlust takes them? RVs offer a unique and casual way of exploring the world, and there are many reasons why people are going crazy for them. Today, let's talk about the top 10 RVs in the world. But first, please remember to hit like and subscribe to this YouTube channel to stay updated on the latest in the luxury world. At Luxury Mindset, we bring you all luxurious information ranging from items, cars, houses, places, and even people who bathe in luxury. Not only that, but we also give you pretty much the amount you would need to purchase any of these luxurious stuff. So if you're interested in the rich, becoming rich, or even dreaming of lying on a mattress of gold or dollar bills, click the notification bell to keep yourself updated on this channel. Starting with number 10, the Concord Centurion 1200. It is a luxurious and powerful vehicle that has a seamless design that showcases elegance and meticulous attention to detail despite its relatively lower position. The Centurion's sleek and classy appearance, along with its spacious interior, is achieved through the innovative rotundo design philosophy. The kitchen includes retractable components and even a bathing area. The driving site takes inspiration from airplane cockpits, optimizing space and maintaining tidiness by strategically organizing everything toward the driver. Concord prices this remarkable machine at a relatively modest amount of $800,000. Thriving at number 9, Newmar King Air. The Newmar King Air, unlike the Concord, resembles a private jet rather than a slow-moving luxury yacht. Its sleek and modern exterior design and its chrome and hardwood-studded interior create a refreshing and contemporary ambiance. The base model offers a sound system with numerous speakers scattered throughout the interior, multiple high-resolution televisions, and a climate-controlled bedroom. What truly distinguishes the King Air is its powertrain. Equipped with a 600 HP Cummins IS6 turbo engine on a custom-built Spartan K3 chassis, this motorhome delivers outstanding sportiness for its size. These exceptional features, combined with King Air's price tag, is of $1 million. Moving on to number 8, the Ford Travel Prevost H345 ESS. It stands out as the Swiss Army knife of motorhomes due to its exceptional functionality and versatility. The Prevost excels in practicality. For extended stays, it includes a washer and a dryer, a full-size bed, and cleverly designed TVs that double as storage covers. Furthermore, the Prevost caters to outdoor enthusiasts with a retractable outdoor entertainment system. The interior space is optimized for practicality, and its sleek design provides all the necessary amenities. The exterior is also beautifully designed, and advanced technology ensures a quiet and peaceful interior by minimizing road noise. Given all those, it is understandable why someone would be willing to invest a significant sum of $1.6 million in this motorhome. Going 7, the Anderson Mobile, the Heat. The Heat, designed by Anderson Mobile Homes, is a unique and highly exclusive motorhome primarily catering to high-profile individuals like A-list celebrities and business people who use it for work and leisure. With a length of 75 feet and 2 floors of interior space, the Heat provides an expansive and opulent environment. The motorhome boasts a generous living space of 1,200 square feet, including conference rooms for business meetings, a fully equipped kitchen, a master suite, several guest rooms, and multiple bathrooms with showers, among other amenities. As the company offers comprehensive coverage with 360-degree security cameras and around-the-clock security team, ensuring the utmost safety and peace of mind. The exceptional level of protection contributed to its significant price tag of $1.8 million when it was first introduced in the early 2000s. At number 6, we have the dumbbell motorhome model. Commonly known as a luxurious motorhome, it is often described as a blend of lavish industries, extravagant leisure yachts, and high-priced automobiles. Produced by a German company specializing in luxury yachts, it showcases an interior design created by the same renowned Italian team responsible for the exquisite interiors in the prestigious Azimuth yachts owned by Russian oligarchs and Arabian princess. The motorhome possesses several notable features, including 3 expandable modules. One is a spacious master suite, furnished with a large 79 by 79-inch bed. Furthermore, it offers a built-in entertainment system with an impressive 55-inch TV. While the company has not disclosed the exact price, it is expected to start at a minimum of $2 million. At the same price of $2 million, Newell Coach P50 sits at number 5. The P50 results from a remarkable 50-year collaboration between Newell Coaches and Porsche, not the car company, but the esteemed luxury design company. As stated by Carl Blade, the president of Newell Coach, each vehicle is custom designed and engineered to meet the customer's specific preferences. The P50 offers a full bedroom with a junior king-size bed, which is even larger than a standard king-size bed. The living area is adjustable and includes a dining section, while the lounge can transform into a bed when necessary. Additionally, there is a full-sized shower on board, emphasizing the importance of cleanliness. The coach even has a built-in power washer to keep the exterior pristine. Noteworthy features also include an emergency 20-kilowatt generator and not 1, not 2, but 3 TVs. Even the driver's seat, despite being one of the less crucial aspects of a luxury motorhome, includes features such as a full massage functionality and heating or cooling capabilities. If you think $2 million for an RV is excessive, look at number 4, the Boinkner Mobile Performance S. This baddie, manufactured by Boinkner Mobile in Germany, is renowned for producing some of the most extravagant and expensive motorhomes ever created. The Performance S embodies luxury, and its notable feature is an undercar garage that is highly advanced, featuring a retractable surface that allows the car to be driven inside. Once parked, the surface securely stores the vehicle within the motorhome without additional securing devices. The Performance S also includes emergency solar panels on the roof, a state-of-the-art $355,000 Burma Star stereo system, meticulously handcrafted wood veneer throughout the cabin, and a fully equipped kitchen with luxurious amenities like an espresso machine and a wine cabinet. Consequently, it comes with an astonishing price tag of $2.4 million, reflecting its exclusivity and luxury. Sitting expensively at number 3, the Marathon Coach 1332. Marathon Coach 1332 is a remarkable creation by the renowned coachmaker Marathon. Prepare to be astounded, as it offers a luxurious interior adorned with warm leather and ebony wood, featuring iPad controls throughout the room. Its lavishly designed bathroom surpasses the standards of typical household facilities. Moreover, it boasts a virtual fireplace, multiple televisions, and numerous other remarkable features. These descriptions merely scratch the surface of what this extraordinary machine entails. Its expansive ceilings, exquisite flush windows, and grand master bedroom, complete with a separate couch and entertainment system, are just a few highlights. The cockpit itself provides awe-inspiring panoramic views through its 360-degree windows. While it carries a hefty price tag of $2.5 million, the value it offers is unparalleled. Another luxurious option is ranked number 2, the Featherlite Vantair Saint-Germain. It draws its name from the renowned Parisian neighborhood that served as a haven for illustrious writers such as Hemingway and F. Scott Fitzgerald, and celebrated painters like Picasso. From its exquisite materials, including the rare Incam marble, copper pearlized Italian leather, sapele pamili from Africa, Swarovski crystals, onyx and Schonbeck crystal, to its lavish amenities like Samsung QLED TVs, a built-in treadmill, and an Avic N2 GPS with real-time traffic and weather alerts, the Featherlite Vantair Saint-Germain encompasses the pinnacle of luxury the industry has to offer. While we could delve into an exhaustive discussion of the countless meticulous details that contributed to the making of this masterpiece, it suffices to say that the price tag of $2.5 million may very well be justified. And hail the king of the luxurious RVs in the world, the Element Palazzo. The Element Palazzo is a recreational vehicle that redefines luxury and is the most expensive RV ever created. The standout feature is the Sky Cockpit, which has a large rounded glass structure that provides an almost seamless 360-degree view of the surroundings. The exterior design is meticulously crafted, featuring touch controls to adjust the transparency of the expansive Sky Cockpit. The bedding is sourced from a company that supplies mattresses to royalty, adding to the luxurious experience. Moreover, this unique motorhome stretches over 45 meters long and spans 2 stories. One of the notable areas of the Element Palazzo is the lounge at the rear end of the 2nd story. It offers a built-in sound system, a heated floor, and a retractable canopy. Interestingly, the entire lounge area can be raised to the vehicle's roof, transforming it into an instant nightclub. These extravagant features and others justify the hefty price tag of $3 million associated with this extraordinary RV. Which of these luxurious RVs would you like to have for yourself? Share your thoughts with us in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please check out our channel for more content like this. Also, don't forget to click the notification bell to stay updated with the latest in the luxury world, only here at Luxury Mindset.